Hello, I'm Jared with Jones Stevens.
Today we will show you our comprehensive PEX-A piping system, its features and advantages, and how to install expansion and crimp fittings. Our PEX-A pipe comes in industry standard red, blue, and natural pipe for potable water application, and natural color for oxygen barrier application. The advantage of using a PEX-A pipe are that it's flexible, making it quick and easy to install with fewer fittings. And it expands in freezing temperatures to prevent the pipes from bursting. F1960 expansion and F1807 crimp fittings are compatible with PEX-A pipe, which will be shown in this video. Jones Stevens PEX fittings are constructed of solid brass or polypropylene, which is extremely reliable, durable, and high quality. They range in size from 3/4 to 2 inch. First, bring your supply line up, and you see with PEX you can easily do a 90-degree bend. Then measure and cut the length of PEX you need, making sure it's a square cut. Next, slide the PEX ring onto the pipe until it reaches the stop tab. To make the connection, you can use a manual PEX expansion or cordless tool. To use this tool, ensure the head is slightly greased. This will ensure proper rotation and contraction. Then, place the fully closed expansion head into the tip of the PEX. You press and hold the trigger until the tip of the ring hits the back of the expander cone. Once the ring bottoms out, keep the trigger depressed, then count an additional 5 to 8 expansions. Doing this ensures you have enough time to connect your fitting without the PEX shrinking back to size too quickly. Slide the pipe over the fitting until it is completely flush with the shoulder of the fitting. Hold the fitting in place until the pipe and ring contract around the fitting. Now I'll show you the crimp connection. First, position the cutter perpendicular to the PEX pipe and make a smooth, clean cut. Next, slide the crimp ring onto the PEX and insert the PEX into the fitting. Then use the crimp tool and secure the connection. That's it! The Jones Stevens PEX-A pipe system and connections are durable, flexible, and very easy to install. Ideal for all new construction and repair jobs, the PEX-A pipe and fittings meet all industry standards, certifications, and compliance. Visit jonesstevens.com for all your plumbing needs. If you need it, we got it. We hope you enjoyed this video and that your installation goes smoothly. Thanks.